Hello students, welcome to Power Tutorials. So today in this video we're going to cover section A part of CBSE maths paper of 2025, which is of 30/3/1 set. Okay, so we're going to cover first 20 questions, that is first MCQs. So let's start one by one. So in the first question, I hope the question is visible. The question is, if tan 3 theta is root 3, they're asking theta by 2. So tan, at which angle tan will be root 3 is 60 degrees. So 3 theta is equal to 60 degrees. Theta will become 60 by 3, which is 20 degrees. What they are asking? Theta by 2. Theta by 2 is 20 by 2, which is 10. So the first answer is D. Second one. X is LCM of 4, 6, 8. Y is LCM of 3, 5, 7. 4, 6, 8. Let's write in terms of prime factors. If you can all, okay, let's use this method. This is much faster. So for 4, 6, 8, if I divide by 2, it becomes 2, 3 is 2, 2 is a 4, 2, 3 is a 6, 2, 4 is a 8. So again 2, 2, 1 is a 2, 3, 2, 2 is a 4. It becomes 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So this is 24. So this value is 24, that is X. With respect to Y value, Y is LCM of 357. 357 is prime number, so simply 3 into 5 into 7 is equal to Y. Let's keep it aside. Now they're asking LCM of X and Y, so which is 24 and 3 into 5 into 7. Let's write in next page. X is 2 cube into 3, Y is 3 into 5 into 7. So LCM of these two is nothing but P, they have mentioned in the question, so which is nothing but 2 cube into 5 into 7 is the LCM. So this is nothing but into 3 is also. Okay. So this is 35. 2 cube into 3 is 24. So I can say this is 35 into 24. 24 is what? 24 is nothing but X value here. So the only option here is 35X. You can also cross check with other values. 8x is not possible. 4y, y value is 3 into 5 into 7. So 3 into 5 into 7 into 4y not possible. Into 8y it is correct. If options 8y is also there, that is also correct. Okay, let's move to third one. Find the value of k for which a linear system of linear equations have infinitely many solutions. So this is very easy question. Infinitely many solutions. The condition is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So a1 is 6, a2 is 36, so 6 by 36 is equal to 1 by 6 is equal to 3k by 3. 3k by 3 is k, so simply k value is 1 by 6. B is the right answer. Fourth one, alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. So alpha plus beta is minus b by a, minus of minus a plus alpha beta is c by a, so this is minus b. So this becomes a minus b, which is C option. Let's move to the fifth one. X by 12 minus 3 by x. So I can, if I move 3 by x to the other side, it becomes plus 3 by x. If I do cross multiplication, it becomes x square is equal to 36. So simply x is the root of 36, which are plus or minus 6, which is A is the right answer. You can see that most of the MCQs are direct, straightforward questions. Okay. Sixth one. The lines represented x by 4 plus y by 6 is equal to 1 intersects x-axis and y-axis respectively at P and Q. Okay, so something we have a line like this, and this is x interception and this is y interception. X is P whereas y is Q. Okay, so we need to find the coordinates of the midpoint of these two. So midpoint of these two. So let's find P. P is where x intersecting x-axis. So y is 0 here. So just substitute y as 0. I'll get x by 4 is equal to 1. X is equal to 4. So P point is 4, 0. What about others? X as 0, I'll get y by 6 is equal to 1. So y is equal to 6. So this becomes 0, 6. Okay, I can say this is tough question, but when compared to other questions, little tricky. That's it. Okay, so midpoint of these two is using 0 plus 4 by 2, 6 plus 0 by 2, which is 2, 3. Here is the right answer. Let's move to the seventh one. Two of vertices, we have a triangle. Okay, PQR is a triangle. Two of the vertices P and Q are the points minus 1, 5 and 5 comma 2 coordinates of the point which divides in the ratio 2:1. Okay, so this is simply how to use m:1 ratio formula. So the q, let's suppose this is x. Okay, not keep it as a. So what is a point? I can write it as 2 into 5 plus 1 into minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 comma 2 into 2 plus 1 into 5 by 3. Okay, so 2 4s are 2 5s are 10, 10 minus 1 is 9, 9 by 3 is 3, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 by 3 is 3. So both are same, which is 3 comma 3. Answer should be C. So let's move to the 8th one. If tangents P and PB are the tangents drawn from the external point P to the circle at O, if they are inclined to each other at an angle of 80 degrees as shown in the figure, find the angle POA. POA. They are asking this angle. Okay, so this is, I will draw it here itself. This is 90, we already know. So this is total is 80. So this angle will be 40. This is 90. 40 plus 90 is 130. So 40 plus 90 plus our required angle is equal to 180. So x will be 180 minus 40 plus 90 is 130, which is 50 degrees. So B is the right answer. Let's move to the 9th question. Cot theta plus tan theta. So if you have seen my previous videos, I had told for trigonometry video, whenever you have this type of questions, always convert into sine and cos and finally convert back to the required value. So I will just convert into sine and cos. So cot I can write it as cos theta by sine theta plus tan I can write it as sine theta by cos theta. So if I do LCM, it becomes cos into cos is cos square theta plus sine square theta by sine theta cos theta. As per first identity, I know sine square, cos square plus sine square is 1. So it is nothing but 1 by sine theta cos theta. So what is 1 by sine? 1 by sine is cosecant. 1 by cos is secant. So the answer is cosecant theta secant theta, which is here. Let's go to 10th one. We have two triangles DEF and PQR. Okay, so for this triangles type of question, I prefer to write in the same way so that I can draw the ratios easily. So first I will write DEF in the same way. DEF. Now let's see. D should be Q. So this will be Q. R should be E. So this is R. So that should be P. So now I can easily find the similarity. So always remember, with respect to equality angles, in the same order I follow here. D is Q. R is E. E place I have replaced it as R, and other is already know, which is P. So as per similarity triangles, let's see the first one. DE by QR. DE by QR, correct, is equal to DF by PQ. Yes, this is correct, but they are asking not true. Okay, this is true statement. EF by PR. EF by PR. Okay, FER, EF, both are same. DF by PQ. DF by PQ. Yes, this is also true. EF by RP. EF by RP is equal to DE by QR. DE by QR. This is also true. So obviously the last one should be the wrong answer. Which is not true statement. Let's cross check. DE by PQ. DE by PQ. You can see here this is right side, whereas this is left side. So here itself we cannot find this proper ratio. Hence D is the right answer. 11th one, again this is triangles question. The measurements of element and ABC are shown in the figure. Find the length of AC. AC is this one. If you notice here, we have an angles 130. This is 28. 130 plus 158. So again this will be 22. So both the triangles are similar. Similar means the ratios are proportional. So I'll just write the ratios. I want AC. This one I have this one. Okay. So 45 by 5 I can write it as 72 by required, which is x. 5 ones 5 nines, 8 9 ones 9 eights. Therefore x is equal to 8 centimeters. And repeating again, this is similarity of triangles. So exact ratio sides are proportional. This slant side by this slant side is equal to this hypotenuse kind of longest side by longest side. So 45 by 5 is equal to 72 by x. 5 ones 5 nines, 9 ones 9 eights, x is equal to 8 centimeters, which is C option. Next move to 12th. The volume of two cubes and the ratio 8:2. Okay, I can say volume of cube is L cube. So L1 cube by L2 cube is equal to 8 by 125. So simply L1 by L2 I can say it is cube root of 8, which is 2. cube root of 125 is 5. So L1 by L2 I got it as 2 by 5. What they are asking, the ratio of the surface areas. So let's consider the surfaces, total surface areas. The formula is 6 L1 square by 6 L2 square. 6 gets cancelled out, and it is something L1 by L2 whole square, which is 2 by 5 whole square, 4 by 25. So 4 is to 25 is the right answer. Let's move to 13th. The area of the sector of the radius is mentioned, area of sector is mentioned. They are asking find the length of the corresponding arc of sector. Okay, area of sector formula is theta by 360 into pi r square is equal to how much? 54 pi. So simply pi gets cancelled out. Theta we need to find. Radius I have mentioned 36. So it is theta by 360 into 36 into 36 is equal to 54. 36 ones, 36 tens. 18 table, if you remember, it is 18 2s are 36, 18 3s are 54, 2 ones, 2 5s. So theta value I can say it is 15 degrees. What they are asking, length of corresponding arc. Length of arc formula is theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Okay, theta we got it is 15. 15 by 360 into 2 into pi. In the options also it is pi only, I'll just keep it as it is. Radius is 36. So 36 ones, 36 tens, 2 ones, 2 5s, 5 ones, 5 3s. So what is remaining? Only 3 pi, which is D. Okay. Let's move to 14th. A dice is thrown once. So what is the possibilities? If a dice is thrown once, the answer options are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. What they want? Probably getting a number which is not a factor of 36. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. All are factors of 36 except 5. So the probability is 1, but total case is 6. C is the right answer. 15th. What is the mean of these values is 7. What the value of x? So mean is we have to just add all the values. 2 plus 9 plus x plus 6 plus 2x plus 3 plus 5 plus 10 plus 5 by total how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is equal to 7. So it is 2 plus 9 is 11, 11 plus 6 17, 17 plus 3 20, 20 plus 20 30. 30 plus 3x by 7 is equal to 7. So 30 plus 3x becomes 49. Okay, just cross check. 2 plus 9 is 11, 11 plus 7 17, 17 plus 3 20, 20 plus 20 is 40, not 30. Okay, so 3x becomes 49 minus 40, which is 9. So x value is 3. What they are asking? X value. So simply the answer is 3. Let's move to 16th. AOBC is a rectangle whose vertices is provided. So let's draw a rectangle first. This is O. A is here. A, O, B and C. So B is 4, 0. So by the rectangle properties I can say that this distance and this distance should be same and this distance should be same. Okay, so this is 2, 0, 2. So definitely this also should be, y-axis should be 2 again, but x-axis will become 4. Let's see what they're asking. Square of the length of the diagonal. So simply no need to find C value, I can simply find A, B distance. So distance between 2 points, root of x minus x1 whole square, which is 4 minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 2 whole square, which is root of 16 plus 4, which is root of 20. They're asking square of this length. So just have to square it. So root and square gets cancelled. The answer is 20, which is B. Let's move to 17th. Zeros are the polynomial. So instead of using quadratic formula to solve this, I suggest to just see the options and get the answer, because it is just one more question. Okay, they will not check how you are getting the answer. So simply what I will do is, so you can see here this and this are having same options. So mostly these two will not be the right answer, but still let's cross check, because product of roots is 2 into root 2. Product of roots is c by a, which is 4. So definitely this is wrong, this is wrong. Only 2 options are remaining. If you multiply these two, 2 root 2 into 2 root 2 is become 2 into 2 4. So this should be the right answer, because if I multiply these two I will get minus 8. So simply product of roots C by A, which should be 4 by 1, which is 4. So only option which is having product of roots as 4 is B. Okay, next meet to the 18th. Again triangles question, so definitely should be similarities question only. ABC, AD is perpendicular to BC, okay. BAC is 90, BAC is 90, okay, this is 90. BC is 16, bottom one. DC is 4, okay. They're asking value of X. So for this, what I will do is I will use similarities concept, because triangle ABC and ADC I'll just check. So ABC, if I notice, okay, I'll write in the same order. Here in triangle ABC, A is 90 degrees, whereas ADC, D is 90 degrees. So D, hypotenuse is BC here, so hypotenuse is AC. Just cross check. 90 degrees is A, 90 degrees is A, 90 degrees is D, okay. AB, AC is the small side. AC, I should get DC is the small side, correct. AB is the middle one, AD, and here should be AB. Okay, it is correct. So as per this, triangles are similar. I can write AB, what I want, X here, AB by AC, AB by AD. So this is not required. I want X here, X is AC. So AC by longer one, which is 16, is equal to, so short side by hypotenuse. So in this small triangles, the short side is 4. It is 4 by X. This is nothing but X. Again, I'll write this as X. So this becomes cross multiplication. X square is equal to 64. So X is equal to 8 centimeters. So I'll write in terms of, it becomes AC by BC is equal to DC by AC. Okay, I have applied this ratio because triangles are similar, respect to sides are proportional. So answer is 8. So 19th and 20th are recessional reason questions. A ladder leaning against a wall stands in a horizontal distance of 6 meters from the wall. Okay, we have a wall, we have a ladder which is 6 meters from the wall. The height of the wall of the ladder is 8. Okay, this is 8. Then the length of ladder is 10. Yes, definitely it should be 10. Why? Because it is a Pythagoras theorem, root of 6 square plus 8 square, which is root of 36, plus 64, which is root of 100, which is nothing but 10. So R is true. The ladder makes an 60 degrees over the round. This is not 60 because tan 60 is root 3. 8 by 6 is not root 3. This is false. A is true, R is false. Option should be C. 20th. Two tangents are onto a circle directional point. They are subtend equivalent in a circle. Yes, this is true. Parallelogram circumscribing a circle is also rhombus. Yes, this is also true. But both are not related to each other. So simply answer should be B here, where both are true but not the correct explanation of A. Okay, so in this way all the section A questions are done. So in the next video I will keep the solutions of section B, all the questions. So let's meet again. Thank you.